Guys, in this video I don't want to talk too much. I want to show you this quick thing that I noticed in a few videos that are more cinematic more than FPV, and I've noticed nobody does them in FPV, so I figured let's make a video of it and show people how it's done. So I have a video that I recently edited, and I'm just going to do it again just to show the effect on the same exact spot how it's done. So here's the video. I'm just gonna set an endpoint, set an endpoint, move forward. So here's where we want to do that dolly zoom effect, and I'm just gonna finish the video here out. Let's see here. So to do this effect, we need to zoom in and out. So what's important is that your video footage is stable and that you're going in a straight line, that you have something in the middle, so not far away, not too close, but in the middle that you can zoom in on, and then you're gonna zoom out as you're approaching what we call subject. So to to incorporate that trick in your flight, you need to be able to zoom in, and you want to hide that zoom in. So as I'm coming down here, let's see. So somewhere here, I want to start zooming in, and I want to be completely zoomed in by the time I'm here. So I'm gonna just put a marker here. I'm gonna start zooming somewhere here. So to do this effect, everything you need is right here, and it's actually just this zoom control. So on this marker where I want it to already be zoomed in, I'm gonna click this button. This will add a keyframe, and this will lock the zoom to 1. Sorry, this will lock the zoom to 2, or whatever you want the zoom to be. I found that 2 may be a little too much, but let's try it with 2. So 2 times magnification, and let's see where it goes. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna zoom out. I think I need to put 1 in here. I'm gonna go back to 1. So what should happen from here to here, it should zoom to 1. I'm sorry. It should zoom to 200%. So as I drag this, so now we're kind of set up, and let's see what that looks like. So in my opinion, that wasn't even noticeable. So, but after this marker, everything is zoomed in now. And what we want to do as we see that tree, we want to zoom out as we're getting closer to it. So somewhere in here I want to finish zooming, so we're gonna add another keyframe, and so this keyframe is at 2 times magnification, and I want to make this 1 time magnification. So we're going back to normal, and let's see what that looks like. So now I forgot where that keyframe is, and to get to that keyframe we can just hit this button and it will get us to the next keyframe. I'm gonna mark this with a color. Let's see what it looks like. I like that. And that was basically it. So when we go from this keyframe to this keyframe, we're gonna zoom in uh, 2 times. So that this part is possible where it zooms out. So if we go here, so notice how this is increasing as we get closer to the red marker. So we're 2 times, and it's going to decrease as we get to the cyan marker. That's all I had to share for today. Let me know if you like it. If you're curious about anything else, I'm just getting started with Resolve, and I find it super powerful, and the bonus is it's completely free. Thanks for watching.